So we put on this practical application workshop. It's intended to bring Utah businesses that are interested in AI adoption into a room and at a table with other stakeholders, either with a facilitator, different mentors and people who have experienced AI adoption in the past and who can offer solutions, students and other technical people, and then policy people, usually from the state of Utah in some capacity. We have like three main goals. So our first goal was for every table to build a workable solution. So every table is hopefully at the end of the day going to have an implementation plan for the challenge they built. That hopefully they've identified a challenge, identified a solution, and then developed something that is applicable over 30, 60, 90 days. That's our first goal. The second goal is to build a community of support for AI adoption in the state of Utah. The people in this room, plus the people that the organizations they represent, whether it's the state governments, nonprofits, universities, industry, trade associations, civil society, the fabric of the community of AI community in Salt Lake City and Utah broadly, we are hoping to kind of engender a substrate of infrastructure of support that will last beyond today. So that if there is like a business either in this room or in Utah in the future that's like, I really want to adopt AI, or I have this question about adopting AI, they have a support network to go through, and that this is something that will help start that. And then the third thing is for us to like leverage this experience for like a policy workbook about what works, what doesn't work, what are lessons learned from this particular experience, how we can scale this to a larger thing, or take it on the road to other places that are interested in AI adoption. And we could do similar workshops in other cities or states. This is actually the first one of these we've done. We can't speak to like how likely this is in other places, but I think one thing about Utah and Salt Lake City is there is like a pretty robust tech scene and AI scene already. So there were a lot of people who are interested and available and willing to participate on their own. Most people are local. There are a handful, probably less than 10 that are came from elsewhere. But most of the people here are people in the community that are like professors, students, business owners, like people in government, in the government, we have a lot of government representation, people in civil society or in AI policy world, and they're all like just very interested in AI adoption and helping like the Utah community, which is a testament to this place.